Advanced Architectural Products, creators of GreenGirt CMH Continuous Insulation and Smart CI Building Enclosure Systems, enhance your building's structural performance and sustainability with innovative systems designed for optimal durability and efficiency. This video will show you step-by-step instructions for installing GreenGirt CMH clips quickly and correctly, ensuring optimal performance and versatility for almost any cladding. The main components used with GreenGirt CMH clips are the GreenGirt CMH clips themselves and mineral wool insulation. GreenGirt CMH clips are designed for use on closed framing. Before installing GreenGirt CMH clips, ensure that the substrate is flat with no steps or voids greater than 1/4 of an inch and free of any residue or debris. GreenGirt CMH clips can only be installed in a vertical orientation and must be flat against the substrate and perpendicular to the plane of the substrate. Attach GreenGirt CMH clips vertically with approved fasteners. Be sure to use all 3 pre-drilled holes in the steel insert. Use a clutch drill instead of impact power tools to install GreenGirt CMH clips. Continue in this manner, ensuring level lines and even spacing. After completion, mineral wool insulation may be placed between GreenGirt CMH clips. It is necessary to install a horizontal hat channel after mineral wool insulation is installed, in order for cladding to be attached vertically. Vertical hat channels may be installed in order to attach horizontal cladding. Thank you for watching this video. We hope it demonstrates the ease of installing GreenGirt CMH clips. If you have any questions or need further technical support, please call us at 269-355-1818 or visit our website at greengirt.com.